How to find your Windows product key. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your Windows product key. Now there are two methods for this, so try whichever one works for you. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your CMD. Now in the first method, you will simply need to type in this code. This is the one. I'll be sure to provide this in the description. So all you need to do is copy this code and then paste it over here. After you do that, hit enter and it should give you the product key. Now this is the first method, and if this works, it's great. But if this does not work, what we'll do is we will head over to the regedit and head over to this file. So let's do that. So what you'll need to do here is open up your run and just type in regedit, regedit, hit OK, give permission, and there we are. Now we will need to head over to that very file location. So I'll just put this around here somewhere. And let's go here. There we go. So now simply head over to computer. And inside computer, head over to your HKey local machine. This is the one. Head over to software. After you head over to software, head over to Microsoft. Scroll down till you find Microsoft. Under Microsoft, head over to Windows NT. Search for Windows NT. So everything here is arranged in alphabetical order, so it shouldn't be hard to find everything here. So after you're here, head over to current version, and inside current version, head over to software protection platform. Now on software protection platform, you'll simply need to click on the file, the folder, and not this arrow. So simply click here, and here we are. Now right here, you will see your backup product key, and the product key will be right here. Now for security reasons, I've blocked this. So yeah, this is your product key. And it's that simple. That is how you can find your product key on a Windows machine. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.